Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie. If you are new here, welcome. Today I am going to show you how to make copycat Starbucks egg white bites. It is super simple, super easy, and it is going to save you so much money. So if you're interested in learning how, then please just keep watching. So this is super easy. I'm going to show you how. You only need, you need egg whites, obviously, and whatever kind of ingredients or toppings you want. So today I'm going to use egg whites, red and green bell peppers, onions, spinach, and then just some seasoning. I have black pepper as well as some chipotle seasoning. However, you can use whatever you want. Whatever you want, throw in your egg white scramble bites. Sometimes I add ground turkey, just really depends on what I have in my house that day. So let's see. So we have egg white bites. Literally this carton is like $4, but at Starbucks for two, it's 5 something. Yet you can get a whole carton plus some. And then green, red, bell peppers, onions already chopped up. This is gonna save you so much time if you're in a rush. Already chopping up your vegetables will be a time and lifesaver. We have Flavor God chipotle seasoning, black pepper, we've got some spinach that I did not chop up already, and then just a muffin tin, and you'll need some cooking spray so your egg whites will not stick to the pans, and you're gonna need an oven. That's gonna help. Not that. Well, that's for later. All right, so I'm gonna take my cooking spray, spray it in every single pan. Even if I don't use the pan, just spray it just in case. Now, I like to take a measuring cup just for my egg white so I know how much I'm measuring. If you want to track your macros, you can do that. So this one's I just pour my egg whites. I'm gonna use 2 cups for this one. I usually eat about 1.5 cups of egg whites a day just because I've gotten sick of ground turkey and chicken. So you're gonna take however many egg whites you want and then just pour them halfway into your pan. And then each little muffin, you don't need a muffin liner. And 2 cups usually makes about 9. And I'm just pouring a little bit more in for ones that weren't completely halfway. And I'll make a 10th one, just this one. So yeah, okay. It made 10 muffin tins. Now we're gonna take some black pepper. This is purely optional, whatever you prefer to season your egg whites with. Now, this is just extra, you don't need it. I did make some the other day. Oh, that's a lot. I forgot the seasoning, but they were still super good because I usually top them with salsa and like a Laughing Cow cheese. Now, I'm gonna add my spinach.
I should have only chocolate for you. So just tiny little pieces, just a little bit in every cup so you're getting your vegetables. Easy way and fast way to get all of your vegetables.
So once you have your spinach in there, I'll show you. You're gonna take your your bell peppers, onions. Now you would usually have more red bell peppers, but the one I picked up at the store had some weird stuff on it, and I just didn't want to chance it, so I just cut the pieces that looked okay. And then yeah, cutting up your bell peppers is just gonna save you. So then when I make these again, probably tomorrow night or Monday, like in 2 days, I'll have this ready to go, and it just saves so much time. Whenever I have to cut it every morning before I make an omelet or something, I'm like, why didn't I just cut it? It saved so much time. All right, so this is what it looks like. We have 10 muffin tins filled up halfway, adding the vegetables, kind of just, I don't know what I'm saying, raise levels, whatever. Okay. Oh, it's kind of hot. You're gonna add these into your oven for 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. My oven takes longer than most people's, so mine's gonna go in for 20 minutes, and it comes out looking like this. Ooh, look at those. All right, so it has been 20 minutes. My egg white bites are now ready. So I'm just gonna take this little spatula. You can use whatever tool you want. I just use this little guy and it works perfectly. And you're gonna scoop them out of the muffin tin. Obviously they just came out, but I'm impatient and I am hungry. It is like 11 something and all I've had is coffee. So scoop these out and I just put them in my Tupperware, and then they're ready to go in the morning to take to work. So this is how I scoop them out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Seriously, quick and easy egg white bite recipe, Starbucks hack. Save some money, make your egg white bites at home. They are so good, and add whatever toppings, mix-ins, ingredients you want, and enjoy. Until next time, bye.